Oh, there's Beezekiel bird. He's on his favorite toy. This is little Zekins. So Zekins. Oh! So Zekins on the day after I realized that he's got a health situation. Oh. Yeah, needing the miracle of Jesus. Beezeek needs miracle of Jesus. That's right, little Beezeek. What is today? November 19, 2022? I mean, October 19, 2022. And little Beezeek. Little Beezeek. Little Beezeek's lungs right now don't have a lot of room to expand because there's been a growth there. Beezeek normally weighs 42 grams. I weighed him at 43.7 yesterday. He's got such a personality and spirit. Talk, little Beezeek. Oh, what'd you say, Beezeek? What'd you say? Ooh, Beezeek, gonna get daddy? Talk, Beezeekins. Beezeek. Your dad loves you. Ooh, this is your favorite toy, isn't it, Beezeekin? Beezeekin's favorite toy. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking of Tim Tebow and his final video that he did with his dog Bronco. This is my Beezekiel bird. This is my big Beezekiel bird. Big Beezekiel bird. Half English parakeet and half Australian parakeet. He's such an awesome little bird. Make your sound, Beezeek. There it is. Beezeek's talking. Yes, he is. Is Beezeek talking? Oh, that meant so bad here. Why that meant so bad here, Beezeek? There we go. Good, little Beezeek. Good little Beezekiel bird. Daddy will leave you alone now. And what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What if we have Eeyore? Is that okay, Beezeek? Daddy sit down that? Will Eeyore protect you from the little birds trying to throw that thing, trying to throw you down? Yeah, we'll have Eeyore protect you. Little Beezekiel bird. Eeyore protect you. It's looking perfect right now because Berber Scree can be in there with you. And these little guys cannot. These little guys cannot. But you little guys, you have something there, yeah. Yeah, you have something there. Just like little Beezeek does. Just like little Beezeek does. Oh, Beezeek, is there a light on you, Beezeek? No, can you believe that, Beezeek? Can you believe that, Beezeek? There's a light on you, Beezeek. Where'd old Daddy trying to get you, Beezeek? Beezeek. there trying to get the Beezeek. There, oh, there's Beezeek. Give me the Beezeek. Beezeek. Beezeek, Beezeek. Beezeek, Beezeek. Beezeek. Beezekiel pervert. Where's my Beezeek? Ah, there's that Beezeek. There he is. There's my Beezeek. He's hiding. Yes, he is. Am I the Beezeek? Am I the Beezeek? These my Beezeekins. Them my Beezekiel bird. Yeah, the Beezeek. Come on, give me one really good shot. Yeah, he's my Beezeek. He's my Beezeek. He's in the cage there. My Beezeek. Oh, what's this? Oh no, gonna have to run. That's bird biscuit. Yeah, okay. Beezekiel bird. Say night-night, Beezekiel bird. Say night-night, Beezekiel birds. Yeah, Beezekiel bird, I love you so much. You're so good. I love you, Beezeek.